Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you're new here, hi, I'm so glad you found me. Today is going to be a cozy, productive, mom life kind of vlog. We've got school drop-offs, lots of crocheting, packing orders, and a little running around town. So grab your coffee or your yarn, and let's get into it. So first things first, I dropped off the kids at school. Honestly, mornings are always a little chaotic, but we got there, backpacks, and all. Once they were inside, I headed back home to start the day. When I got home, I settled in with some cozy yarn time. I've been working on a few new crochet pieces, and I'm obsessed with how they're turning out. After that, it was time to pack a few orders. Thank you all so much for supporting my little shop. Every notification still makes my day. Once everything was packed and ready to go, I headed to the post office to drop off all the packages. I swear, nothing feels better than sending out handmade orders. It's like sending a little bit of joy out into the world. After the post office, it was time to pick up the kids. I actually had a few minutes before school let out, so I just sat in the car and crocheted. Honestly, car crocheting might be one of my new favorite things. It's quiet, cozy, and I actually get so much done. And that was today. Nothing too fancy, just a simple, productive mom day with a lot of yarn involved, which is exactly how I like it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these cozy day in the life vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.